Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Right now, I'm packing for a 9-day camping trip. I'm going to show you what cast iron cooking gear we're going to leave behind and what we're going to take. Y'all stay tuned. So, first of all, we don't have any idea what the weather's going to be like when we get there. We've got us our propane powered good old Coleman stove. I took it out the day, made sure it all still works, clean it up a little bit. Been sitting in storage for a little while, so it's been a little while since we went out, but we definitely got to have this for backup in case we hit those rainy days. So Coleman stove, number one. So we do have our backup down there. That's our Coleman gas powered one. I don't think we're going to need that guy, but stays here for our hurricane prep supplies if we need them. But if this is what you got, bring that. All right, so skillets wise, my old antique 1700s gate mark 3-leg spider skillet. You know, she stays hanging up on this wall most of the year, but when we go to the camp, gotta have this girl. Okay, skillet number 2. This is my newer lodge that we sanded out a while back. You know, I'll leave you a card of that video how we polished this guy out. This is the Backwoods Gourmet engraved one. And the reason why I want this one is a little heavier and thicker. We have some beautiful pans and a lot of choices that we could have made, including that Griswold right there. And I have a beautiful Wagner inside. Reason we have chosen this newer lodge is this is the main reason. This is the 10-inch Dutch oven lid. Okay, it fits that pan perfectly. I mean, perfectly. I mean, like it was made for it. That way, we don't have to bring an extra lid because we're bringing that 10-inch Dutch oven also. And we got our bag up here, our Bass Pro Shops protective bag here that, we can get this 10-inch Dutch oven, the lid, and there's the Lodge 4-in-1. Probably going to pick up another one of those. Those are only $4, so if you can't find those at your local Walmart, check out our Amazon store. We got them right up there, like $4. Comes in real handy to keep your iron up off the fire. You know, it folds out. If you watch our last video, you seen we had to kind of put our Dutch oven up on that to get a little more airflow under there to help keep our heat up. We can use that with campfire charcoal. It's got a lot of uses, right? And it stores right inside 10-inch Dutch oven. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we stack these in the bag here. This is the Bass Pro Shop carry bag. I believe we have a couple of those also up on our Amazon store. Not necessarily, I think we have the Lodge one. So put the lid in first. That protects the bag from the feet of the oven. Okay, and then we can take our skillet and lay our skillet right in there just like that. And we could probably even get the other one in there, but for now, you see that you just zip this zipper right around to the handle, just like that, both sides. Now you got your Dutch oven and your skillet with the interchangeable lid, both in the same bag, along with that 4-in-1. So I know what some of you are saying. Are you bringing a Sportsman's Grill? I know you guys love the Sportsman's Grill videos. They do really well on our channel. For the weight and as hard as it is to pack with these separate parts, you know, the Dutch door, you got basically 4 parts. You got the draft door, you got the fire door, you got the grill, and then you got the base of the unit. The weight it is and the amount of space it takes up, sorry Sportsman's Grill, you'll be staying home, but I love you still. All right, so you're probably saying, well, you're not bringing a grill? You're not going to grill anything? What the heck? We're bringing a grill, but we're going to bring our little homemade setup. Okay, there's our little homemade rack. You've probably seen us cook on that several times. We use it as a trivet over campfires. We're more likely to be doing some campfire cooking out, while we're camping. And then I have an old leftover, that's a cast iron grill grate that I have from one of my formerly retired gas grills that I've saved and kept pretty good care of it. So that'll be our camp grill. We'll have, if we can't get a campfire, then we could put charcoal under here or cowboy coal, whatever, and we can grill up. And then we can also use this as a base for our skillets. So I think that weighs about a quarter of what the Sportsman's grill down. A poor Sportsman's grill. Oh. We're going to need some tools when we're out there camping. So what tools are you going to bring there, Backwoods? Well, here they are. And they're going to be the basics, all right? We don't want to get overly you could pack the kitchen sink like my grandma used to say, or you could come out there with a few basic stuff that you can use for a lot of different things, and the rest of it you can make do. So what's the very first thing we're going to bring? Hey, we're going to bring our charcoal tongs. These are just regular kitchen tongs, cheapies, we use for charcoal. Definitely cannot go anywhere without our Dutch oven lid lifter. We use that to handle with our pans and Dutch oven. It's a good fire poker, coal mover, does everything. I couldn't do this. I couldn't even do this channel without this tool. That's how important it is. All right, and last but not least, we got a grill brush, okay? This is one, I think I picked this one up at Lowe's, not expensive, but it really works well. But bring whatever kind you have. If you're going to use those camp grills, you're going to definitely need a way to clean those. All right, we're going to try to stay away from that. And if we do use the camp grill, we'll put our own cast iron grill on top of theirs. That way we know where our grill's been and what's been on it. So what is the other thing we're going to bring? The other thing we're going to bring is this beautiful camp grill Dutch oven plate that we just showed you how to make for free, okay? If you didn't catch that video, I'm gonna leave you a card right up there. Okay, I'm trying to hold everything, the camera. So we're gonna bring this grill here that goes on those standard campground grills and convert that right into a Dutch oven table, something you use with your cast iron. This is gonna be the proving ground for this little plate is coming up. So y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hey, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on how that works. All right, guys, well, that's basically what we're going to pack. I mean, I got a list up there, up in my office over there. I got a list in there. I got lists. And, when you're going to go camping, sometimes that list, you just got to go back through that list and say, all right, what of this do I really need? And what is, okay, this is just convenience. Okay? So I've kind of figured out what is it I really need and what can we kind of figure out on the way. So those are the items that we're going to pack, trying to stay light. We're only going in our, our regular size pickup truck with the topper on it. Only got so much room to pack stuff. It ain't like we got a big old RV, a huge trailer or something like that. So this is light, portable, and hopefully it'll be everything we need. If not, y'all gonna see that coming up in the next few videos. So I hope this little walkthrough I just gave you helps you pack for your next camping trip with your cast iron and outdoor cooking gear. So if you like what we're doing, please hit the like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right there. For a whole playlist of cast iron Dutch oven cooking is gonna be right up there. And for another great Backwoods Gourmet video, gonna be right up there. We'll see you next time.